Hello everyone, welcome to Ecoholics. Today I will be doing the previous year questions of GATE economics paper. So today I'm starting with the questions from 2021. So let's just get into the video. So this is the question number 1 which appeared in 2021 GATE economics. So let's just read the question. It says a firm finds that for the product it produces, its own price elasticity of demand is 4. Currently, the firm is selling 2000 units per month at rupees 5 per unit. So, if it wishes to increase its sale by 10%, it must, so they have given these 4 options where they're asking that if a firm is producing a product and if they want to increase the sale by 10%, what should they do with their prices? So, if it's a normal good, then whenever someone wants to increase the sale, the prices must lower down. So if I deduct that, I know that these 3 options, among these 3 options which give me the answers in lowering prices, they are going to be my feasible options, because here we are talking about increase in prices, and that cannot happen because whenever prices increase for a normal good, my sale will go down. Correct? So let's just try to solve this question. So they say elasticity of demand. So I'm using E denotation, elasticity of demand. They have given us 4. So what does elasticity of demand tells us? It tells us that whenever there is a percentage change in price, how much there is going to be a percentage change in quantity demanded. So I'm writing that down. It says percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in prices. So because of the inverse relationship between the prices and the quantity demanded, I would be using a negative sign here, because I know whenever my prices will fall, my quantity will increase. So that's why I have put on a negative sign here. So so it's equal to 4. I know the question demands me that my change in quantity should be increased by 10%. So I will just put 10% change in quantity demanded. So I'm writing 10 for this percentage change upon, this is percentage change in prices which I want to find. So I will just write it like this in a short. Now if I solve this equation, I would be getting So I would be getting 10 upon 4, and we have a negative sign out there. So it is minus 2.5, and it will be in percentage because we are talking about percentage change. So it is minus 2.5%, where this minus sign shows me that whenever my sale will increase, my quantity will increase, my prices will go down. That's the thing. So according to this, we will go by option number C, which says that I have to lower my prices by 2.5%. So the correct answer is option C. So this is the question number 1 which appeared in GATE 2021 economics. So if you want to see the solution to next question of GATE 2021 paper itself, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you everyone.